Hello everyone. Last time we talked about drawing an alignment and we did draw an alignment, and you people, every one of you who watched this episode has, or the previous episode, has drawn his own alignment, which is more likely like this one, you see. So here I have like 252 alignment length. Okay, so today we are going to talk about how to draw a profile for the alignment you have here. So, I'm sorry, I'm saying so a lot. Focus with me. First of all, I'm Abbas One, and this is another lesson of this course for highway designing on the Civil 3D applications. Today we are going to talk about drawing profile for a horizontal alignment. So let's get to it. First of all, go to the profile and hit create surface profile. Alright, let's do it again. Hit on profile and create surface profile. Okay, then add. After that you can manage the labels here or the layers. You can choose which one is the one you are going to use. Okay, so for now I'm going to hit draw in profile view. After this you're going to hit on create profile view and hit in a place like here. So this is our profile view for the horizontal alignment. Our next step is to draw the vertical alignment. How we're going to do this is so simple. Press on profile here again and hit profile creation tools. It will ask you to select your profile. So I'm gonna select it. Then hit on design criteria. Then here, make them both checked. And make sure you to choose 2004. And give it a name, let's say example 1. And okay. So you got this, hit draw tangent with curves. Here we go. Here. Sorry, just a second. Yes. Okay. So suppose that this is the alignment you've drawn. Okay, this is your alignment. Alright, so you want to find the cut or fill data for this profile. So there are some steps and they are so easy. Just focus with me. First of all, you need to hit on this like this and hit profile view properties. Then go to bands, delete this. As you can see, when you hit apply, it's gone. So let's make our own. We're going to put on or click on create a new. Then we're going to choose design level. So we have design level and earth level and stations and cut or fill data that we are going to make. So design level and then band details. Here choose this 50 millimeter and here this is 75 for now. Then compose label and control V here, design load, and choose this middle center. Control V. Okay, guys, please try to focus. I'm doing this in front of you. I'm not doing any miracles, so just focus. Okay, here let's change the font to 5 and choose middle center. And okay, then compose label, hit on delete. Do you see delete component, delete. Then instead of profile on elevation, another design level, then make sure it's band middle, then enter here. After you enter here, just one click by the mouse, then hit spacebar, the spacebar on your keyboard. Hit it once. Okay, then go here and choose profile 1 elevation and make it near to 001 or 001 and hit enter, or this one, don't hit enter, hit this one, okay, and hit OK. Then make this 5.5 and middle center, and let's give it a color of cyan. Let's give it cyan. Okay, and okay. Then go to the display and uncheck those. The one I'm unchecking. Okay, then those. Okay, and hit apply, then okay, and hit add. As you see, we have added the design level we just made, and when you hit apply, you'll see this, the data you are looking for. Okay, so let's add the earth level again. Create a new. I think you guys begin to understand how to make it. Earth level, copy. Okay, make this 50 and this 75, as we already said. Compose label here, middle center, and profile data here. Control V and OK, then 5, then middle center again, apply and OK, then compose label another time and hit the X and Control V, then band middle, click by the mouse, then spacebar. Then for the earth level, you need to choose the profile 2 elevation and the same 001 after the comma, and hit this button, then OK, and 5.5 middle center. We are going to give it the color red. Okay, and display again here. Okay, until reaching the minor text and apply, then OK, then add and OK, hit apply. You will see this, that it's added. Oh, so as you can see here, there is something that you have noticed, I think, is why the design level is the same as the earth level. It's not the same. Look at the picture or look at the profile, it's not the same. Well, you're right, but let's not get to it right now. Just leave it until we finish everything. So focus with me, folks. Okay, we're going to get back to the profile view properties again, and we are going to make another one which we are going to call station. Okay, copy here. It's this one, this time make it 50 here, only 50, 55, then compose label, Ctrl V, middle right, middle center here. Okay, 5 middle center here, and alright, okay, compose label here again, delete, Ctrl V, band middle, and when you hit here by the mouse and then spacebar, after that you need to choose the station value and choose the precision to 1 and hit this button and OK. 5.5 middle center. What's the color we're going to give to this one? Let's say green. Okay, and apply, then okay, then look to the display. Okay, and apply, then okay, then add, apply. As you can see here, oh come on, here we have the stations, but the station is supposed to start from 0 plus 0 0 0, not this one. So how to remove this one and this one? We need to work correctly, perfectly, you know, with no distraction. So let's hit back here and click on profile view properties again, and we come here to the label start station and end station for the station. You see, style station, then label end station, label start station. Remove these two, uncheck them, and here apply, and they both disappeared. Okay, so let's head to the rest. And here I go. Create a new and cut or fill. Copy this and head to here, 50, compose, and I think you guys have understood what I'm doing and knew the way to do this. You just need to focus about this one when I do it, the other compose label. Okay, so cut or fill, middle center, and here, okay, 5, middle center, and okay, then here, bad middle, here. Well, for the cut or fill, let's do the first step first of all, and let's change the precision. Oh no, before that we need to choose from here profile 1 elevation minus profile 2 elevation. Hit it, and then here change the precision to this one and hit this, then okay. 5.5 middle center, and let's give it the color magnet. Okay, and here's okay, and let's change the display again. Yeah, you see there's a lot, this is a lot of work, so you need to be patient when you're working in this program. It could really consume time. So hit add and okay, and you will see that we have 0 0 0. There is no cut or fill, but I don't think that's correct. Why is that? Why do we have them as 0 0 0, and why do we have here the same elevations? Why is that? Okay, let's see here. If we zoom in, we will find that this is, in the blue one, is the road we have drawn, the one we are going to use. Okay, so I want its name. What's its name? So this is the design level, right? So its name is example1, ex1. So let's come here and click like this and hit profile view properties. To the design node, we come like this and we choose the profile 1, profile 2, ex1 and ex1, and then we hit apply. As you can see, guys, it has changed. Well, the beginning is the same, but the second one is not. Here, the earth level here at station 40 is, the earth level is less than the design level. Okay, so let's make sure of this. Oh yeah, that's right. Here's the design level, it's upper, and the earth level is lower. Okay, let's see another one. Here 112 and here 202. Okay, which means the earth level is higher than the design level. Let's make sure earth level is higher. Oh yeah, it's really higher. So we have drawn them, and we have the design level and the elevation level drawn correctly. So let's head to the let's get to the other one, okay? Which is the cut or fill. Why it's 0 0 0? Remember, I told you cut, when you want to control the cut or fill, it's about the profile 1 elevation minus profile 2 elevation that I already showed you, right? So let's click on the profile here and hit on profile view properties, and when we come here we'll need to choose this one and hit apply and OK. Profile 1, which is the design level as you see before. Okay, so here we have nothing, no cut or fill, but here we have cut. How could you tell it's cut not fill? Because it's negative. Let's go up and see if we're right. And oh yeah, here is the road crosses the earth level, which means it's cut, not fill. Okay. To make it easier for us to see and to make our observation better, we're going to make some edit here. So edit profile view style. We are going to be redirected to this window. Hit on clip vertical grid and hit apply. Wow, it's more clear now, right? You can see better. So we have this, we cannot see because of it. Oh, okay. See what we can do about it. Okay, is it better now? Well, yeah, it's better, but let's just move it to the left. Okay, here. Okay, it's better, right? So everything is clearer now, as you can see. Let's add something else here. Click here and then profile view properties. You will find a tab is called hatch. Click on it and add cut area, fill area, then apply. As you can see, the fill areas here are hatched by green, and the cut areas like this one, for example, is hatched by red. And yeah, there's something I forgot to mention, which is the slope shouldn't be more than 7%. As you see here, it's 1.56. Here is minus 6.74, which is lower than 7. 2.2, 2.14, 126, 206, 104, 112, 2.5 or 2.49. So we didn't violate the 7%, and our job is well done. So everyone, as I told you before, this is the profile for this horizontal alignment. The vertical, this is the vertical alignment of that horizontal alignment. So in order to get the vertical alignment, you need to draw a horizontal alignment, or to have a horizontal alignment. This is the design level, and this is the earth level, and these are the stations. The stations are every 20 meters, so 0, 0, 0, 0, 20, 0, 40, yeah, as you can see here. And this is the cut or fill. If it's cut, you will get negative. If it's fill, you will get positive. This is all for this lesson, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed it. And I'm sorry if I had some problems when I was talking, because I'm not feeling well, but I tried to do my best to make this video for you. Thank you, everyone. It was Engineer Abbas with you. I'm more than pleasure to talk to you. Thank you.